The next Google tool we're going to use is called a sheet. Make sure you're in your Digital Scientist folder in your Drive. When you create this, you go to New. You're going to find Google Sheets here with the green icon, and we want to set up a blank spreadsheet. So Google Sheets are great tools for math formulas and calculations, but I love how we can organize information. You will notice that a Google Sheet sets up a grid, and the grid has columns going up and down and rows going side to side. Each individual space is a cell, and in cells we can do all kinds of things. Each cell can be set up with its own font style and size and even color. I could come to this cell, do something different. So these are just some of the basics. Now within a cell, of course, we can do different things. We can also fill the backgrounds of individual cells in different colors as well. However, we are going to set our spreadsheet up to make predictions. So I am going to reset everything here. I'm just going to choose one common font. Now notice I can highlight entire columns at a time, which I'm going to do. I'm going to make these all the same font. I'm going to make them all the same font size. And I can center or align the text in the center and in what we call the middle. So that's important to do. I'm going to title my spreadsheet, my object and my name, and these are going to be my predictions because we're going to do some things with our objects to help us think more closely about them. So I'm going to create what I call some headings here. In the first cell, I'm going to type the word wet. Then I'm going to put upside down, put on a ramp, put in freezer, and drop from counter. These are some of the things that I'm going to predict. Now, I want you to notice that the cell cut off some of my words, or appeared to cut off some of my words. I can see what I typed up here in the function bar, but I'm going to highlight this row, and I'm going to do something called text wrapping. If I select this wrap in the middle, look what it does. It automatically sets up all of my words. And then I can even set all of my text colors to be the same. So these are going to be the 5 things I'm going to use for my predictions. And then I'm going to put my predictions in these cells underneath. Now something else I can do is that I can put some borders around these cells so that they show up. And now I'm ready to predict what will happen. I know with my water bottle that if I get it wet on the outside, water runs off. Whoops. But on the inside. Okay, so if I click enter and I go out of my cell, I can get back into my cell very easily. Here I'm going to need to set my row to wrap again. Now I can click here in the cell. Notice how I can keep typing. Here's what's tricky. I can't use return because return will put me in a different cell. So let's do it this way. I have a better idea. I'm going to use another box to write what happens on the inside. There we go. So I'm going to do the same thing again where I wrap, and I'm going to highlight all of these cells and put border around it. So now I can make more than one prediction if I want to. Okay, if I hold my water bottle upside down when it's empty, Okay, and I think I'm going to go ahead and change my color back to black there. If it's, whoops, I should change that. If it's full, water will drip out, but if it's empty, nothing will happen. Those are my predictions. So now I can continue making different predictions. Because of my object, it's safe for me to put it in a freezer, and I'm not concerned about what will happen if it drops from a counter. If you're using an object that is not safe to get wet or freeze or drop, then you want to put something like unable for your predictions because it would damage your object, and that's okay. But make sure you set up your spreadsheet so that you can make some predictions about what you think will happen to your object, because then later you're going to test your object in as many of these ways as you safely can. And so that's creating a spreadsheet. Do make sure that it gets shared as well.